Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, I am solving problem 4-113 from the book Thermodynamics and Engineering Approach by Cengel 9th edition. So, the statement of the problem is a rigid tank. Initially, it is given to us this the tank is rigid. So, rigid tank means that volume is constant. That volume is equal to constant, or we can write V1 is equal to V2. Contain a gas mixture with a specific heat of Cv is equal to 0.748 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin. The mixture is cooled from 200 kilopascal and 200 degree centigrade. So initial pressure P1 is equal to 200 kilopascal and temperature T1 is equal to 200 degree centigrade, which is equal to 200 plus 273 Kelvin, which is equal to 473 Kelvin. Until its pressure is 100 kilopascal, mean P2 final pressure is 100 kilopascal. Determine the heat transfer during the process in kilojoule per kg. Per kg means specific heat, so it is small q. Point specific heat transfer in kilojoule per kg. So here we start solution. So as we know that heat transfer per constant volume process is equal to mcv T2 minus T1, but in this formula T2 is unknown, so first we find T2. So according to ideal gas equation, we assume that mixture of gases is an ideal. So according to ideal gas equation, P2 V2 is equal to mRT2 and P1 V1 is equal to mRT1. This is equation number first and this is equation number second. So divide equation first by second. So P2 V2 V2 is basically V, because V1 is equal to V2, divided by P1 V is equal to mRT2 divided by mRT1. So here you can write this V1 is equal to V2 is equal to V. So V will be cancelled with V, mR will be cancelled with V, so mR. Rearrange for T2, so T2 is equal to T1 multiply by P2 divided by P1. Now just putting values, T1 is 473 Kelvin, P2 is 100 kilopascal and P1 is 200 kilopascal. Kilopascal will be cancelled with kilopascal, 20 with 20. So T2 is equal to 473 divided by 2, which is equal to 236.5 Kelvin. This is the T2. Now we know that specific heat transfer is equal to CV T2 minus T1. There is no need of M because it is required in kilojoule per kilogram, and M is not given to us. So Q is equal to CV is 0.748 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin. T2 is 236.5 Kelvin and T1 is 473 Kelvin. Kelvin will be cancelled with Kelvin. Simplify this, so specific heat transfer will be minus 176.902 kilojoule per kilogram, and negative sign mean that heat rejected from system to surrounding, or heat rejected from the gas mixture is equal to 176.902 kilojoule per kilogram. This is the answer, and this is the final end of the problem. And for more problems, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends. Thank you.